Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading your data and making minimal but essential choices. First, import the CSV or Excel file and set encoding and delimiters so characters and columns align. Once done, create the project and give it a clear name. This preserves state and history. Make sure to enable reconciliation only if matching external ID. Now scan the first 5,200 rows visually to spot delimiter issues and obvious misparsed columns before moving to transformations. Next, you standardize values column by column because consistent data enables accurate analysis. Start with a text facet to list variants, nulls, and typos. Apply trim and to lower /upper/title case to normalize. Use split into columns when multiple values are mashed together, then join back if needed. For fuzzy duplicates, run cluster and choose a method, reviewing suggestions. If you need logic, use custom text transform with grell. This gives conditional control without exporting first. Finally, you validate and export while keeping a replayable history. Use numeric and date facets to check ranges, outliers, and parse errors, correct with transforms or cell edits. Once clean, export to CSV, Excel, or JSON and include a script of steps if reproducibility matters. If something goes wrong, revert individual operations from the history or clone the project to experiment safely. Also verify encoding and column types. Mismatches are the common root cause of lingering errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.